Namaste everyone, I'm Lakshmi Iyer and today we are going to do this lesson from grade 10 English textbook First Flight Glimpses of India Part 2, that is Coorg. Coorg is actually lies in the western Ghats of the state of Karnataka between Bengaluru and Mangalore, and this Coorg place is very famous for its coffee plantations. We are also going to study about tea plantations in Assam. So glimpses of India part 3 is tea from Assam and second part is Coorg, and this is a very beautiful place which is covered with more than 30% of the area is covered with rainforest. As you can see, there are a number of trees here in this photograph also. And the Coorgi men, if you see the second slide which I have put up here, these are all the main points of our lesson. And in this lesson, this lesson introduces about all these points, and I have highlighted all those so that you will not forget. And there is nothing for us to learn per se as much, but we have to remember all these points which have been talked about here. The Coorgi men are called, the Coorg people are called as Kodavus, and they have their own attire. As you can see, this attire of Kodavus, the ethnic dress of Kodavus is called as a kupia or kufia, as I have already put up here. And they are the ancestors. Their ancestors are Greek or Arabs. They are descendants of Greek or Arabs. It has been written there. And as you can see, the chief of the Indian army, the first general, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. And one more very important thing you need to remember is Coorgi men are very brave warriors, and they are permitted to carry firearms without license because they are trusted so much by Indian government that they can carry the firearms without even having a license. And you have to know the most important point is river Kaveri originates in Coorg, the hills of Coorg, and this is the fish called Mahasil fish, that is a large freshwater fish you get in this Coorg area. And they also talk about a lot of fauna, birds and animals which you can sight here in Coorg, that are kingfishers, macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs and wild elephants. And this Coorg place also attracts tourists, and it's very famous for its high energy adventure sports such as river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain climbing, mountain biking. And apart from this, there are major tourist attractions in this place such as Brahmagiri Hills, Nisargadama, and Bailoguppe is the place where Tibetan monks have settled. So this place showcases India's diversity, you can say. Coorgi men are basically Hindus, but they are different from the mainstream Hindus. These are all the points which we need to remember in our lesson Coorg. Thank you so much.